Hi students, welcome back. So in last class we saw about how to post characters and how to use IK and FK controllers for your hand during pushing an object. Okay. So today what I thought was I thought of sharing you some technical animation how to make it. Okay. So we'll start with the basics with uh, a ball and a platform. Okay, so we'll be using two rigs for it. So first I'll go to my reference editor. So what I will do here is file create reference, or you can give the shortcut control R. So plus control R. Maya will open it, so it's in my desktop. So my rigs. So first rig, what I'm gonna use is the ultimate pendulum. Okay, so we have not used it. We'll see how to use this rig also. Okay, this is rig number one. So I'll slightly move it off the plane. Okay, fine. So the next rig, Control R. I'm going back, and the ultimate ball, the basic ball, what we learned for the first class, we are also importing it. So you have two rigs here. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go to my orthographic side view. Okay. So this is what I'm planning to do. What I'm planning to do is I'm going to animate it for 50 frames. Okay. 50. So I'm going to create a new shelf. Okay. Shelf editor. Click new. It can be constraint. Okay. So constraint is come. So hope you people would have learned various constraints in Maya. So you have the parent, you have point, orient and scale and aim. Okay. So these are the various kind of constraints you have in Maya. So you also have the pole vector. So now we are going to see how to use parent constraint in Maya. Okay. So first, before starting off, I'll go to my reference editor, file, reference editor. So first, I don't want to switch on my ball, so I just need to forget it. Okay, before switching it off, I'll tell you what I'm planning to do. So I'm creating a cube here. Okay, it's gonna scale horizontally. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a small kind of maze kind of concept here. Okay. This pendulum will start from here. It will go here and it will keep on coming back and forth. Okay. So what this ball would do is this ball would be seated here at this exact same place. Okay. So ball would be slightly smaller. So the scale of the ball would be something around 0.5, very small, 0.75. It's like, okay, right. So I'll move this one slightly up so it doesn't touch it. Okay, so yeah. So this pendulum will move from my screen left to screen right, again come back. It'll be keep on moving. Okay, it'll be like a small kind of game that you normally see. Okay, so what I would do is I would make this ball jump onto this pendulum, and this pendulum, just because it's moving, it will carry my ball to this place, and my ball, when the pendulum is coming near here, my ball would jump here. Okay, so this is the animation I'm trying to do. So hope you people would have got the idea. So first what I'll do, I'll first block the poses. So before which I need to create controllers. So I'll go to my constraint. So what I'll do, edit, clear all. So what I would do, I'll go to my perspective. Okay, select all the controller. Even the mesh is selected. Can you see? Okay, so be clear. Don't select the mesh. So go to show, none, show controllers, nubs curves. Only this will be shown. So that is all is required. Okay, this is for the pendulum, and this is for, sorry, so this is for the ball. Okay, so created two mel scripts. So show polygons. Okay, this is all we want. Go to the side view. Everything is there in the place. Click on the mel script. Everything is selected. Click on the mel script. Ball is selected. Okay. So we are ready to start off with the animation process. So what I'll first do is I'll keep my pendulum here. Okay. Select all. Press S. So what I'll do is I will first get a sense of timing. So I'm thinking 15 frames would be okay, or okay. So or what I'll do, I'll work in 12. This would be 24. So first I'll get one loop properly. 24 would be like 48 almost. So that is the reason I'm keeping it. So select all keys are keyed. So in frame number 12, my pendulum would be situated here. Okay. So let's see what happens. My animation will start from here, goes there, again comes back. Okay, so it's in linear, don't have any animation that's being taking place, so which is fine. So the only place where you will get a large amount of smoothing is in the overlaps. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll zoom in the 24 frames. Okay, so just play it and see. It's playing pretty fast. Real time 24 fps, but speed is too much, so I need to slow it down, or at least the distance. Okay, ball can be here. Okay, so we'll see. So starting I would reduced it, the ending also I have reduced it. Let's see whether the ball is moving fast or slow. Still pretty fast. Take a play blast and see. Low play. Okay, so still I need to slow it down, not so much, decrease it. The outside. So now we'll see. So what I did was I changed my idea. So this will go only this much distance. Now I play it. Okay, slightly better. Play blast. Okay, slower. So 1 second it's going forward, again coming back. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll create a breakdown. Select all, create a breakdown, ease in, ease out. Same way, create a breakdown, ease in, ease out. Okay, so if you want to know how I kept all these keyframes, so the total duration is 12 frames for from this place to this place. So half of 12 is 6. So I'm keeping a keyframe in between. So this is for slow in, this is for slow out. Same way from 12 to 24, the median is 18. So slow in is 12 to 13. So here 24 to 23, this is slow out. Okay. So what I will do, I'll move it a little bit forward, this a little bit forward, 2 frames. Same way, 2 frames, 2 frames. Okay. So now what to do? So I need to just play it and see. So now what's happening here is you're getting some weird animation. Okay. So don't need to worry about it. First, I'll work on this, the topmost one, window, animation editor, the graph. So you have only animated the horizontal kind of movement. Okay. So which is your Z right now. Okay. So just press F. So we should not get more amount of time while it's coming down. So what you do here is there is more amount of time. Just 2 frames. Just 1 frame would be fine. For the travel, oh my god. So select all. I don't want more amount of time taken. Just 1 frame would be fine for the starting and the end. So I'm decreasing it. Okay. So now I'll go to the graph editor and see how it's working. Okay, it's better. So it's going to one side, it will come down fast. So this will be like this. Start out fast, go end. So it's similar to your ball bounce, guys. Okay, we'll see how it works. Going very fast, it's not smooth. So what I'll do is let us keep it smooth. I like want it to be having it in a uniform speed. Then only it might look okay. So or let all these things be linear. So we'll have it in straight lines. So we'll not have ease in, ease out, nothing would be there. It will be just straight lines. Okay, so now I'll play it. So next, what we'll do, we'll animate the controllers for the pendulum. Okay, so when it's coming here, your pendulum will be slightly tilted. Okay, so this will be slightly tilted. This will be still more tilted. Okay, so what I'll do, one, Q, two, three. Copy this. Okay, paste it here. Okay, because this is the ending. Okay, so both the keyframe needs to be same. So it's coming here. This one should be in the opposite direction because the force is acting this way. So yeah, animation also needs to be in this way. Okay. Okay. So same way, the center of this would be this one. So it's coming forward in this direction. It should be in the opposite direction. I'm not animating it mathematically. I'm just having some a sense of feel. Okay, hope you can see it. So I did not animate it for here, this keyframe. So here, when it's coming, it should be in the opposite direction. All these three. Okay. So I did not animate this. So that is the reason you're getting curves like this. What I'll do, just copy, paste it here, rotate it still more. So it's going back. From here, it's coming back to normal. Normal should not be in the same place, so slightly tilted. Should be in the opposite direction. So it should not be straight. One, two, three. So it will be like goes back. This bends. So this one comes forward. Here bends, bends, bends. Okay. Comes, comes back. So I'll try to clear this overlap in graph. Let's see how it works. One, two, three. So I'm going to work for frame number 1 to 12. So it goes back, comes back. Okay. See, rotate. So these are the reasons why you are getting that snappy, very snappy kind of animation. So clean up your graph. So your graph, when it's always in arcs, you get very smooth animations. It's not smooth, your animation looks very awkward. Okay. So always your graph follows only arcs. So better your arcs, better is your animations. Can you see the flow, how your the curves are going? I did not work it mathematically, but it's like the illusion of motion that you need to have in your mind when you're animating. Okay, so the third one, same way, loop it. This is the reason it's not proper. So I'm just cleaning my graph to show you how it's going. I'm not visually seeing what's happening there. We'll see it later, but just trying to get flow. See what's happening. So the first one is the root. So we can, so whatever is coming, I'm just trying to have it in a flow. We'll see what's happening. So I did not do anything in my poses. So just clean my graph, see the flow you are getting. Okay. So that's how. The only thing is you need to maintain the flow of your curves. So if the curves are proper, your animation will be proper. Okay. As simple as that. So it need not be the same kind of graph. It can be anything. There is nothing called as a written rule for it, but see to it, it's in flow of arcs everywhere. Okay. So it's in arcs, then you don't have any issues. So just 12 I have done. So we need to do it for the 24. Okay, so 12. Okay, this is the first 12, right? This is the first 12. So only this is right. These things are wrong. Okay, need to work. So this is okay, and this is wrong. So this is okay, and this is wrong. Okay, so need to work. See the kind of graph I'm getting. U curve, again and U curve, again and U curve, but at different places. Okay. So you people can try doing the remaining part. So this should end like this. So it starts from here. It's coming. Again needs to come back, right? So this one should come back. Okay. So this one should not be straight. then this one needs to. So again, I didn't clean the graph. We'll see how it works. Okay, great. So this is 12. So I should not touch 12 from the animation has been done. So see to it. It's done properly. So okay, so this is the next one. Columns here. This is 12, now 14. So this would go down a bit. So this can go slightly up. So this is the kind of curve we need to expect. Reverse it. Get it smooth. Okay, the final one. Yes, it's 14. So okay, see it. So if you want to have very smooth ease in ease outs for this one, just open this, go to the translate Z, make this flat. You have proper ease in ease outs. So you can make this as spline, make it a bit softer. Okay. Doesn't look feel so hard. Okay. So the concept right now here is, what I'm going to teach you is, so you can loop it again and again. So what you can do, this is for frame number 24. So this is one loop. Press see to it all the controllers are keyed everywhere. Okay. So 24 is here, and this is also frame number 24. Okay. So what I can do is select this, copy from this frame, I can paste it. So till frame number 47, I have two loops that's being done. Okay. Hope you are getting it. Two loops. So now I don't need to bother about this one. So first, before I forget, this is like constraint. This is my file, what I need to save. So next, going to the ball. So it comes forward, moves backward, comes forward, moves backward. Okay. So when it's coming forward, I want the ball to jump onto this one at frame number, move the ball slightly back. Okay, frame number 12. Okay, so this is frame number 12. This is the the maximum extreme. Again, this one goes back. Okay, so till frame number 12, I want the ball from this position to be seated in this position. Okay, so now first what I need to do here is I need to keep the ball where it should be constrained, at which position you want the ball to get placed on the ball. Okay, so at frame number 12, so click on the controller for this one. So listen to this very carefully. I have not animated the ball at all. Okay, ball is totally free. So first I will animate my object, whatever is animating. So first finish animating this. So I'll give you an intro to the ball, how to constrain. So in tomorrow's class, what you can do is first try animating this pendulum, okay, properly. So at frame number 12, both of the object comes in contact. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select this one, shift this one, okay, go to the constraint, you get parent. Okay. So when it's parented, you get this kind of blue color for your object. Okay, so now when this one moves, my ball also moves along with it. Okay, you don't need to animate, my ball keeps on moving along with the pendulum. Okay, but what you need to do right now here is you want the ball to get attached to the pendulum from frame number 12 till frame number 24. Okay, so from frame number 24, my pendulum again comes backward. Okay, so you need to understand frame number 12 to frame number 24. Okay, so now what you need to do, click on the ball controller. Press yes. Okay, so when you key it, you get a new kind of option called as blend parent. Okay, so before which you will not be having this blend parent option. When you what you need to do, you need to click the ball controller, just press S where the ball is getting constrained with the object. Okay, so then you will get a red color option, so it's called as blend parent. Okay, so when the blend parent is 0, see what happens. My ball is totally detached from my pendulum, so it's again a switch. Okay, so what you need to do, if the blend parent is 1, see what happens. Ball is going along with my pendulum. Okay, so again I make the blend parent 0, it's not working. So 0 is parent off, 1 is parent on. Okay, so what you need to do, at frame number 12 you need to switch this on to 1. Okay, so frame number 24, okay, you need to again make a keyframe. So 12 to 24 it's 1, so till frame number 11 it's 0, so frame number 25 it's 0. Okay, so let's see what happens. So ball is standing static, my pendulum is animating. So frame number 11 nothing is happening, frame number 12 attaches, goes, stops here, again it stops there. Okay, can you see? So from here you can animate whatever you want for the ball, like my ball wants to select all the ball controller, so 35 my ball jumps here. Okay, so from 29 ball goes up, getting it? I'm just keeping some keyframes. Okay, so starting place the ball would be here, frame number 1, so till frame number 7, so this would be till you can have an anticipation for the jump, which is not at all a problem. I think it's very far, so this is near, so this can be copied till frame number 6. Okay, so 9 would be, oh my god, I did something very bad, something very wrong. Okay, mode everything. Okay, no translate, don't move the top and bottom controller, just move only the center. Okay, okay, frame number 6, so 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so frame number 9 it will be somewhere around at the top. This would be fine. So there are chances that you might get these kind of small kinds of concepts for your final exam with constraints. So it's better you experiment all these kind of small exercises so that you are comfortable animating it. Well, so 9 would be somewhat here. Okay. Getting it? Just play it, show you. Okay, so this is the rough blocking and timing for your animation. So what you can do is you can apply your squash and stretch here. You can give anticipation at this point where the ball is like anticipation, all those kind of things, the performance. So you have a lot of areas where you can work upon. So from 12 to 13, you can also animate the up and down controllers like this. Okay, so which is still possible. Okay, so what I would suggest you to do is try experiment first. Try to create the pendulum animation tomorrow in our class. So on Wednesday, uh, try experimenting the constraints. So this is the exercise you need to practice for the next week. So any doubts, do let me know, guys. Thank you and have a great day.